Hello students, my name is Rupali, your social studies teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. Okay students, please tell me, are you all enjoying your social studies lectures? Okay, and have you all done your work? Very good. So I want to ask a question from Akriti. Please Akriti, tell everyone what we have covered in our last lecture. Yes, we have completed our chapter number 1 of history, and we have covered sources of history and geographical impact of history. Now Bhanush, please tell me how many sources of history are there? Yes, there are 2 sources of history. Very good. Okay, now we'll start new topic and chapter number 2 of history. So today we are going to discuss the Stone Age. So today we are going to discuss the Stone Age. Let's start with the Stone Age.
Historians believe that human beings first appeared on Earth about 1.5 million years ago. The development of human beings on this earth is a very interesting process. Earliest, humans were food gatherers, hunters, and nomads. Always in search of food and shelter, they traveled from one place to another, hunted animals, and gathered fruits, roots, seeds, and nuts. When there was a shortage of animals or plants in one area, they moved to another area in search of food. They considered it safer to move in group rather than wander about all alone. A group generally consisted of few men and women and children who stayed together with the elders. Early humans led a primitive life. They remained without clothes during summer, but in the winter season, they wore animal skins, leaves, and the bark of trees to keep themselves safe from severe cold. How do we know about these people? We come to know a lot about the earliest human beings from their evidences in the form of stone tools and weapons. During the prehistoric period, human beings defended themselves against all types of wild animals using stones by attaching them to handle of bones or wood and by making weapons in the form of spears or arrows. They also hunted animals with these weapons. The stones helped early humans in different ways. Examples of hunted animals. The stones were used to hunt animals. They were used to remove the skin of animals, cut meat, and bones. Stones were also used to cut trees and clear forests. The Stone Age. The main object used by early humans was stone. They depend on stones for their survival. That is why this period is called the Stone Age. On the basis of development of different stone tools, anthropologists have divided the stone into different stages. Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age. It is considered that evolution of mankind started in this period. It roughly began around 5 lakh BCE and ended around 10,000 BCE. This period is further subdivided into 3 phases on the basis of changes in climate and stone tools used. Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age, Upper Paleolithic age. Lower Paleolithic age. This is considered as the formative age. During this age, many parts of the earth were covered heavily with ice and the climate was extremely cold. Geologists define this cold period as Ice Age. The most common tool of this age was the hand axe, which was mainly used for chopping trees and hunting animals. Therefore, these tools were mainly found in Punjab and on the banks of river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Middle Paleolithic Age. The main tools of this period were the different types of borers and scrapers made of stone. These tools have been found from different places in India. That includes the bank of rivers Narmada in Madhya Pradesh and the Son Valley in Punjab. Upper Paleolithic Age. Upper Paleolithic Age is the final phase of the Ice Age. This age ends just at the onset of agriculture. During this age, the climate changed dramatically. From cold, it became warm. The tools used by humans during this age were blades and burins.
Okay, students. So, what we have covered today? We have covered Stone Age and its types. I want a flow chart in your notebook. Okay? So please make a flow chart of Stone Age and its types. Now it's time for your homework, and your homework is homework. Read page number and read page number 14 and 15 of chapter number 2 of history, and read wonderful to know in your wonderful to know on page number 14 and 15 in your SST Social Studies textbook. And please try to solve the back exercise question. And I know you all can do it. But before that, you need to read the page number, you need to read the chapter and watch the video till the end. Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy the video.